Good afternoon and welcome to the Galliher Law Firm. I'm Keith Galliher. I'm the principal of the Galliher Law Firm, and I've been a practicing attorney in Las Vegas for the last 41 years. I specialize in plaintiff's personal injury. You've been injured in a car crash. You've gone to the hospital. You've been pronounced with injuries. We talked about them in the last clip. Usually it would be your spine injuries. Sometimes it's your shoulder, sometimes it's your knees. What you should do then is contact a lawyer, a competent one. And in the future clips, I'll tell you a little bit more about how to investigate lawyers. When you see that lawyer and you tell the lawyer you're injured, one of the first things you need to tell him is whether you have a primary care physician that you're comfortable with. If you have a family doctor that knows about these injuries and is willing to testify on your behalf, by all means, keep that doctor. Keep the one you're comfortable with. However, a lot of doctors are not comfortable with personal injury cases or injuries. So they will tell you right up front, I'm sorry, I don't handle personal injury. And the reason they don't is because they don't want to testify on your behalf. They don't want to have to go to court on your behalf. So if that's the situation, let your lawyer know. Most good lawyers in our town have connections with very fine physicians who specialize in personal injury work. Those physicians know about the injuries that you suffered. They know how to treat those injuries. They know when it's proper to send you to physical therapy. They know when it's proper to send you to a specialist. They are very much experts in their field. And many people in Las Vegas do not have health insurance coverage. And if you don't, a lot of people assume, gee, there's nothing I can do. I don't have the ability to pay my doctor. Well, that's not necessarily the case. If you have a good personal injury lawyer, he'll have relationships with physicians who will agree to do their services on what's called a medical lien basis. That's L-I-E-N. And what that means is they will treat the patient and await payment until after the patient's claim is concluded. In other words, when you go to that doctor's office, you do not have to bring your checkbook.